In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all blocked emails in Gmail, whether you need to adjust your email settings, review your blocked contacts, or simply want to ensure no unauthorized senders are disrupted inadvertently. This guide will take you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's get started by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the gear icon, which is essentially your gateway to the settings menu. By clicking on this gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for the option called See All Settings. Go ahead and select it, which will redirect you to a comprehensive settings page. Now that you're on the settings page, you'll notice several tabs across the top. You want to click on the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This tab is crucial as it holds the rules and commands that manage your incoming emails. Gmail's filtering system is robust, allowing users to automate the sorting of emails based on various criteria, such as sender or subject line. It's a handy feature for maintaining a clean and organized inbox. Once you've clicked on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, scroll down to find the section dedicated to blocked addresses. You'll know you found the right place when you see the heading. The following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. This list shows all the email addresses you've blocked. It's essentially a blacklist, ensuring unwanted emails from those specific senders never clutter your primary inbox. If you need to unblock any sender or want to manage this list further, this page offers you the opportunity to do just that. You can choose to unblock certain email addresses by clicking on the option provided next to each blocked address. This is particularly useful if you've accidentally blocked someone, or if circumstances have changed and you'd like to restore communication. Remember, managing your blocked list is a critical part of maintaining email security and efficiency. It not only helps to keep spam at bay, but also ensures you only receive messages from those who matter to you. It's a good practice to review this list periodically. And that's it. You now know how to access and review your list of blocked emails in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you can take charge of your email management and make sure your inbox works just the way you want it to. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more useful tech tips and tutorials.